Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of cooling solutions with a focus on thermal paste. If you're a PC enthusiast or gamer looking to maximize the cooling potential of your system, you're in the right place. Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're taking a closer look at what could be the best thermal paste for your NZXT Kraken cooler, Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut. Now, if you're like me, you know that proper thermal management is essential for maintaining optimal performance and longevity of your hardware. And that's where Kryonaut steps in. Let's start with the basics. Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut is not your average thermal paste. It's engineered with one goal in mind: to deliver exceptional heat transfer performance. And boy, does it deliver! Applying Kryonaut is a breeze, thanks to its unique syringe packaging and included spreader tool. Whether you're a seasoned PC builder or a novice, you'll find the application process smooth and hassle-free. But here's where it gets exciting. Once applied, Kryonaut works its magic, reducing temperatures significantly under heavy loads. Whether you're pushing your CPU to the limit or engaging in marathon gaming sessions, Kryonaut ensures your system stays cool and stable. And let's talk longevity. Kryonaut isn't just a one-time solution. It maintains its thermal conductivity over time, meaning you won't have to worry about frequent reapplications. Plus, its non-conductive properties provide peace of mind, protecting your hardware from any potential mishaps. So, what's the verdict? Thermal Grizzly Kryonaut is the real deal. With its exceptional performance, ease of application, and long-lasting durability. It's no wonder why it's a top choice for PC enthusiasts and overclockers alike. If you're serious about maximizing the cooling efficiency of your NZXT Kraken cooler, look no further than Kryonaut. That's all for today's review, folks. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech reviews and tips. Until next time, happy gaming and stay cool.